Welcome to Car Reviews Updates. Today we're talking about Thailand's most popular pickup truck, the Toyota Hilux 2025. This truck isn't just about power and performance, it's the king of the Thai market. But is the 2025 model really better than its rivals? Let's find out. The 2025 Toyota Hilux comes with a fresh, bold, and aggressive design. Up front, you get a muscular grille, LED DRL, and a strong road presence for off-road lovers in Thailand. This is a dream truck. Its high ground clearance and rugged build make it even more powerful. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of this beast, the engine. The Toyota Hilux is powered by a 2.8L turbo diesel engine that delivers 204 PS of power and 500 Nm of torque. And the best part, it's built to handle Thailand's rough terrains with ease. The new Hilux also comes with improved suspension and better off-road capabilities, making it a great choice for Thai drivers who love adventure. Moving inside, the Toyota Hilux isn't just about power, it's also about comfort and technology. The 2025 model comes with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium leather seats, and dual-zone AC. For long drives and off-road adventures in Thailand, this cabin is super comfortable. And yes, it also has excellent water weighting capacity, perfect for handling Thai monsoons. Now, the big question, is the Hilux better than its biggest rival, the Isuzu D-Max? Let's do a quick comparison. By-side shots of both trucks with a text overlay. Power, Hilux, 204 PS versus D-Max, 190 PS. Torque, Hilux, 500 Nm versus D-Max, 450 Nm off-road ability. Hilux has better suspension price. D-Max is slightly cheaper. The D-Max is also a solid choice. But the Toyota Hilux's reliability and resale value make it Thailand's #1 pickup truck. So, the final verdict? If you want a powerful, reliable, and off-road ready pickup truck that also holds its value in the Thai market, the Toyota Hilux 2025 is a great choice. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're a Toyota Hilux fan, drop A in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.